All right, this video is how to use your stopwatch in your clock. Click on clock, go to the very bottom, and you're going to see a thing, it's stopwatch. We're going to click on that, bam, and there it is. All right, so here we are, we're in our stopwatch. As you can see, we clicked on it. And let's say I want to run. Ready, set, go. And now I'm running a 100-yard dash, and bam, stop. I just ran that 100-yard dash in 3 seconds and 3.28 seconds. That's pretty good. Now, if I want to look at it as a stopwatch, I can just go like that. Let's do it. Let's reset it. Bam. See how it just pops back. Now, this is kind of like your regular guy that's at the swim meet or the running meet, and he's got a stopwatch in his hand, and he's watching it go by, and boom, ran it in 6.7 seconds. Now, if you want to look at it over here, you can see it the same way. But this is kind of a cool way to look at it. There's only two ones. You only got two different choices. You got this one and that one that you can use. And then you can reset it here, bam, and it comes back. And that's how you use your stopwatch on your iPhone in your clock application. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.